In Photoshop, you can open multiple photos at once to combine them. Here I'm going to select Open and select two different photos that I want to put into the same picture. I have a picture of a park, and then I'm going to go up to File, Open to also find a picture of some birds, and I'm going to be able to combine these. When you open multiple images, they show up as separate tabs up here within the Photoshop frame, but you can pull on those tabs to separate those windows out. I'm going to use my Move tool, which is at the top of my left-hand sidebar, to move this bird's image onto my background with the sky. I'm just clicking and dragging on the image and then dropping it. From there I can move it around. You can see over in my Layers panel that I now have different layers for my background and for my bird's image on top. I can further change this if I want to, going to Edit, Transform. I can scale this or move it in other ways. I might rotate these birds a little bit or make them a little smaller. You can move it around however you want. Once I have the birds in the place that I want to, and I can always go back and change it later, I can click the check mark up here in the top or hit Enter to make the transformation stick. To have this blend in with a background, I'm going to go down to my Layers panel where it says Normal. This is the blending mode, and I can change the blending mode to Multiply. There's lots of options here that have different effects and might work better for different types of photos. But for Multiply, this will keep the original color and remove the white background so that it looks like my birds are flying in the sky.